You may have watched many videos on passive income streams, but this video is going to be different. In this video, we will be telling you the 9 best passive income streams that will make you rich, and we'll also tell you the actual process to start them so that you could earn a lot of money from there as soon you start the work. Now let's start. 1. Start a print-on-demand business. Publishing on demand, POD, is a fantastic method for earning passive revenue. If you set up an online shop selling unique items, orders will flood in and your revenue will soar. Using POD, the print service provider handles printing, packaging, and shipping for each individual order. Companies like Printify make it possible to create a wide variety of unique items with little effort and maximum efficiency because to their wide range of customizable options, user-friendly interface, and comprehensive support. Read about other people's achievements and get motivation. 2. Make a course yourself on the web. Make an online course for everyone who is curious in the subject instead of spending your time indefinitely consulting or tutoring. This will need some preparation on your part, including course planning, recording, and uploading to a website like Skillshare or Coursera. You may also make materials for your pupils that they can download. But in the long run, teaching others via an online course will bring in consistent passive revenue. If you're an expert in your industry and have what it takes to educate others, creating and selling online courses may be a fantastic side hustle that brings in money while you sleep. Consult with others and teach them what you know to make an income passively. Spending some time and energy in the outset is essential for the success of the course. It should have a polished tone and style, be simple to read, and thoroughly address the question at hand. Press the red subscribe button and also the like button below to know more amazing tricks to earn money and get rich. 3. Put up digital products for sale. Print at home materials, downloads, templates, plugins, audiobooks, and kits are just a few examples of the wide variety of digital items available today. Products that may be purchased online and then downloaded, printed, and used by the user. Make them once, resell them as much as you want, and pocket a tidy profit from each digital product sale. In the hands of someone with the right knowledge and tools, selling digital things is simple and affordable. Plus, if you're creative, this is a fantastic opportunity to make money while doing something you already like by selling digital or printed products. Until you start making a significant amount of money, it may be a while. Websites that host your listings may also impose fees on you in the form of a percentage of any sales made or as a listing fee. 4. Put your money into dividends and mutual funds. To generate passive income, buy dividend equities in a variety of firms. Payouts are made on a regular basis from the firm's earnings, and you don't have to do anything to get them. Although dividend investing might be a simple way to bring in passive income, there are dangers and complexities involved. You should only invest in stocks and shares once. Get paid on a regular basis and have input toward the company's passive earnings. Not only that, but as time passes, the share price will climb, typically resulting in even more revenue. Sometimes a sizable sum of money is required to begin trading equities. And payouts themselves are fraught with danger. In the event of bad performance or bankruptcy, you stand to lose your investment and any passive income it was generating. 5. Lease real estate. Renting out your home is another simple option to bring in some extra cash. Monthly rent payments are passive revenue whether you rent out a full dwelling, a single room, or a commercial space. A rental property gives you a lot of flexibility, ranging from a short-term room rental to a long-term vacation rental. You get to decide the parameters, put pen to paper, and enjoy the rewards of one of the finest sources of passive income. If something occurs on the property, it is still your fault. Unfortunately, evicting squatters and difficult customers is a common issue in several parts of the globe as well. 6. Provide transportation via rental. You may generate passive income by leasing out other assets, much like a real estate investment. Your car, for instance. Provide a timely, safe, and affordable service by renting out automobiles to residents and commuters who need them. It's more efficient to hire out your car to others than to waste time driving them around aimlessly. Rest easy while your automobile takes care of everything for you. To hire a car on your own terms, you may use websites like Turo. Expenses like repairs, security, and upkeep are your responsibility. Sharing a car might be risky from an insurance standpoint. On top of that, customers who wreck your automobile will cause you extra hassle since you'll have to go without transportation for a while. 7. Use a P2P loan service. P2P lending is an excellent way to invest your own cash in passive income streams. Participate in the interest payments made by companies or borrowers to you as a lender. There are a number of online platforms that act as intermediaries between lenders and borrowers. Lending as little as $25 at first and working your way up to more reliable borrowers and greater amounts is quite possible. 8. Spend money on domains. Domain name flipping is analogous to the stock market. You're probably planning to resell them for a much greater price after purchasing them at a discount. In today's digital era, having a web presence is crucial for almost every company or brand. Put your money into names that are easy to remember and use, short, memorable, and common. Getting started is inexpensive since domain names only cost about $10 annually. It's only a matter of putting in the time and effort to find the most promising domain names. Your investment in a domain name might be lost if you are unable to sell it. Also, watch out for hidden annual fees. 9. Pay using spreadsheets. You may find this to be one of the finest passive income opportunities if you have a natural talent for using spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets. Make and sell spreadsheets online to anyone who lacks the skills to make their own. This might be for a variety of uses, including monitoring, budgeting, invoicing, etc. Trying out the market for spreadsheets is simple with the help of online marketplaces like Etsy and Selfie. More importantly, the only actual investment you make in your passive income company is time. In either case, you'll need to promote your business and draw customers in. Take into account establishing a social media presence as well. Excel experts who can persuade others are gaining traction. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income streams that will make you rich. All the millionaires does these passive incomes. You must start doing these side gigs from today to get rich. You can become a multi-millionaire from these side jobs. If you loved watching this video, then please do press the like button. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Do press the subscribe button if you want to know the best tricks to earn money and get rich. Thanks for watching the video till here.